Hello everyone, this is Santosh. You are welcome to my channel. You are watching your favorite channel, New Creation by Santosh. Yeah. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. This is Samia. Say lover. This is Samia. Good. You are welcome to my channel. Okay, here we go. Okay, long time no see. Long time no see. Yeah, today I'm gonna do something work on this tree. Before last year I'm not tapering on this tree. Okay, so this time has come hard work on this tree. Okay, this is a Ficus bonsai, or somebody says Ficus, somebody says Chinese banyan, somebody says Long Island. I think so, according to people, according to country-wise people language differences, country-wise language, I think so. Somebody says like this, somebody says like that. Okay, doesn't matter, but I like to say this is Ficus, Long Island. We can say that Long Island. Okay, no problem. Because I just want to say something. Nobody knows internal habit of person, because the people have different things in feeling. I should be like that. Okay, somebody says this, somebody says that. Okay, eventually I just want to say Long Island. It will be better to say Long Island. Okay, this is a Ficus Long Island bonsai. So it has three classes. It means it has three sections on this tree. Three sections are divided on the tree. Suppose this one is down section, this one is middle section, and this one is upper section. Three sections are divided on this tree. This one is separate one. This is not together. This one is separate. As well as I have joined, it means as well as it has been joined extra this tree here. Look at here. You can't see over here. Suppose it is joined here. I have done this work here. Initial it was only two sections. Later I joined it. It means the small one tree has been joined later, this upper section. Okay, so this time has come right now. I'll release this tree, small one tree, from the big one. Okay, big one tree. Yeah, it will be better to cut from here, I think so. Yeah, alright, I just want to cut from here, then I'll make separate between big and small one tree. Okay, it has been tied. It is tied with a small rope. It is tied with a small rope. Look at over here. All the way it has been attached. I think so. I'm going to take out this rope from here. Okay. Actually, I just want to take out this Long Island from the temporary bucket. That's why it has been broken already. It's broken already. Yeah, I'm thinking, but it can be used later. I don't want to break this one. Okay, I'll try to take out solid this tree from the bucket. Okay, and as soon as possible I'll try to refer into the nice bonsai pot. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, there we go. I just want to take out this all soil from here. Before last year I'm not taking this tree, pruning branches, pruning roots, everything at all. So this time has come right now. I just want to do hard work on this tree. First let me finish do this work. Okay, no matter how, it should be taken out. Okay, I'm thinking about a small one tree. Okay, I would like to cut from here. I just want to cut from here first. That's why I'm having some disturbance. It will be better to cut from here rather than from there. I think so. It will be better to cut from here, so that can be easy doing some work. Okay, no, I just want to cut from here. Okay, here we go. I cut it this small one plant. This is a new technique. I don't want to say easy technique. That's why it has been joined upper section. I just want to check down whether roots are coming or not. Okay, or no at all. The bucket doesn't have any arrow roots. Okay, it's okay, it will be fine. I think can be taken out easily. So that's why the arrow root is not coming out from the bucket. Okay, let's see. Initially we have to take care for a child. Suppose here my child, I'm sacrificing for the sake of this child. Suppose this bonsai also we have to take care. We have to do hard work. We must be done hard work for the bonsai. Otherwise cannot be bonsai. So initially we have to take care as for a child. It's like a child. Okay, we must do hard work for the bonsai, for the sake of bonsai. Okay, I think so, Dad. Okay, eventually I could be better successful to take out from the bonsai, to take out from the bucket this bonsai. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's gonna be taken out. Yeah, yes. Please don't touch, stay away. I think this one is the right place for me. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me bring some tools. I forgot to bring tools. This is also very important tools to remove well from here. Okay, it's very important tools. Remove from here. No, don't play with dust, okay? Don't play with dirt, okay? Say okay? Oh, okay. I just want to prune this roots. This one is aerial roots. Taproots had been cut before, but aerial roots also have become thick. So I just want to cut this all aerial roots just because it has been damaged. So it will be better to throw away these roots. Okay. This one dot. Okay, don't touch this dot. Okay, baby. No touching. No, baby, no. Don't do like this, okay? Go away, baby. No. Stop doing this, okay? Okay, I'm going to prune these branches, okay? We can replant this because it has already aerial roots. It can be beautiful bonsai in coming future, so it can be replanted. Okay. It's going down this branch, so it will be better to cut from here. That's why cascade shape is going cascade shape, so it will be better to cut from here. Going to hard pruning on this tree, okay? it's going on hard pruning. As soon as possible, it will be better to prune leaves, branches and all. Okay, so I prune. It is done hard prune. Okay, we have to cut out even leaves. Okay, all right. This is a hard pruning. Eventually, the work is done. It means branch pruning is finished right now. Okay, it has already good trunk. It's going like this. It's zigzag. Okay, it goes up like this. Okay, I've considered it will be like, it will be just like this. Okay, I don't cut out this. That's why it will be dense. It will be more dense. Then I will cut out. I will trim all branches and all. Okay. Okay, this is a hard pruning. Look at over here. You can see thoroughly. It looks nice, better, before and after. Between, we have to compare what was the shape of this before and right now. It has become like this. Okay, I think it's looking beautiful. Okay, I'll be reporting into the nice bonsai pot. I just wanna report into the nice bonsai pot. Okay, I have chosen this pot. It is made myself with cement. It looks ceramic pot, but it is not ceramic pot. Okay, it's gonna be fitted or not. I have chosen this pot. Okay, let me try. It's gonna be fitted or not. I just wanna put into this rectangle shape bonsai pot. Okay, I think it's gonna be fit. It's okay for this one. How does it look? Okay, I think it's okay. It's going to be fitted on this pot. It's okay. I have chosen. It's okay. I determined I'm going to be reported this plant into the rectangle shape bonsai pot. Okay. Okay. I took some soil. I think it will be better for this bonsai. That's why I don't want to need more and more mineral like the cow dung. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use this small concrete for well drainage. Okay, otherwise this can be died, the plant can be died. So the bonsai has needed well drainage. It is compulsory we have to make well drainage. So we have to take care for this. This is the gardening soil. It will be better for this. I thought that's why I am using this soil. No need to add more and more cow dung, minerals and all. That's why the roots have been cut already. All the roots have been cut. Roots are trimmed. So it will be better to use this gardening soil. No need to add more and more cow dung, minerals and all. That's why the plant has become weak. So if we add many minerals, cow dung, etc., the plant can be dried. So it will be better not using. Okay. This one is a small piece of stick, but it is very useful for us bonsai fan, so it must be used. Otherwise, this is a poker. We have to poke like this for removing air pocket from inside. Okay, if you use this stick like this, okay, air pocket will be removed from inside, from the soil. That will be better. That will be better for using this stick. Okay. We must be use this stick. It is compulsory. It is necessary for using this stick. eventually. Okay, all right, the work is done. All the way the work is done, guys. Okay, guys, and every person, for all persons, I just want to say, after doing any work, suppose I'm doing like this work, we should take care, we should clean our hands with soap well. So as soon as possible we must use sanitizer. That will be better for us, safety. Okay, I just want to say something as for this matter on behalf of me. I'd like to say something else. I'd like to request you to all guys something else. Okay, guys, I just want to say something for adorable person. Okay, everyone is being victim with disease COVID-19 coronavirus. So I'd like to request you to all guys, please stay at home and be safe. Please don't come out except emergency work. No people contact. Stay away from gathering and keep going on public distance also. Okay, keep going on social distance. We have to mind makeup. We have to think always there also. Okay, that will be better for safety. Okay, suppose if I became a victim, I have to think that always. If I became a victim, I'm sacrificing all family members. It means my family members are dying. We have to think that. So it will be better to stay away from disease. This, okay? We have to take care. According to WHO regulation, some regulations are included. There are some regulations should be followed. I think so that so we can be safe. We have to consider. We have to think ourselves. Which one is bad and which one good thing. Which one will be better. Which one will be not better. What a bad condition. What a bad situation. I couldn't understand myself what's going on in the world. All over the world, everyone's dying. Everyone's being victim day by day. What shall we do? What shall we do? There is no any solution. And sometimes I would like to cry very much. What shall I do? Only the God knows. Only the God saves us. We have to think like that. There is no any solution. Okay. Eventually the work is done. Okay, the work is done. The work is finished. So before going from here, I would like to say something for subscriber. I would like to say something for subscriber from my inner heart. That's why all guys, all adorable person kind me. It means kind my channel. Okay, loving my channel much. I would like to say thank you very much. All my subscriber, all guys, adorable persons. Okay, and by the way, if you are not as well known on my channel, I'd like to request you to all guys, please welcome to my channel. I would like to request that also. Okay, subscribe and press the notification bell icon, please. I would like to say that. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And finally, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.